you want this to say next step after
Yes,
clicking the
something
okay.
like that. In order to
Okay.
get rid of the pop-up, click this or do this. So what that does
Great.
for me, Jeremy, just so you know, is it separates information from action.
Hello, welcome to UX with my grandma.
Oh, I am not his grandma, and don't even.
She's not a grandma. She's a customer. We've known each other for a couple of years.
Yeah.
That's great.
Okay.
Anyway, but as we launch these guided templates, and Laurel, I'm narrating to the video right
Yes,
now before I introduce you. She was on a video before. And one thing we want to do, she is the perfect example, I believe the perfect example of who should be using this tool. So we're building it so she understands. Okay. And the one thing that we wanted to do big time was guided templates to make browser automation easy for anyone to do, or as easy as we possibly can make it for people. Here we go. I'm going to share my screen. Are you ready, Laurel?
Yes, dear. Go.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to get your opinion on. Okay.
Go.
So as I walk you through this, now we want to start a new automation. What do we click? What do you think we click here?
The green, new automation.
Boom. All right. She's ahead of the curve. Ahead of the curve. Okay. Let's say, all right, you see guided templates, web
guided
apps.
Template.
Okay.
Go there. Yep.
Well, you're ahead of the curve. All right.
Yes.
So how to handle pop-ups. This would be one of the easiest ones. It's the very first thing getting started.
Yep.
Okay.
Go there.
There we go. Okay. Okay. Opening browser window. All right. Here it's opening the window. See here? Boom. It's open. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now.
Okay.
Here it is. Okay. And it says step 1 here. And then it gives you this direction to read. Okay. Does this step make sense?
I want to go. Give me a second. Okay. I'm thinking I want to. What's the goal of this one about pop-ups? What was the language?
Yep. How to handle pop-ups.
How to handle pop-ups. Now, what does that mean in terms of an automation? What does that mean? How to handle them?
When you encounter when you use websites. Mm-hmm. During recording, you will encounter pop-ups that you need to know how to handle. Like this pop-up right here, get 10% off. So this pop-up isn't...
Slow down a second. During recording of what?
Your web automation, your web-based automation.
Okay, so I just want to clarify. So in order for me to set up the automations, I have to be doing recordings, correct? So if a website then all of a sudden has a pop-up and a website that I want to use in my automation, I need to know how to have it not pop up. Is that
correct?
The goal?
No, not pop up, but how to handle it when
it
does
pop up. How to handle it and how to get rid of it while I'm in the middle of the automation.
Correct.
Okay.
Because you want to automate something and your automation has really nothing to do with this pop-up, but it's stopping you from doing something.
Got it. So that I just want to be really clear. So the goal is that when I'm doing an automation and I'm having to do a recording and I'm using a website that's not mine, then a pop-up can randomly come up and I have to know how to get rid of that pop-up so I can continue with the recording. That's the goal.
Correct.
That's
the goal.
Okay. So now let me read. A very important step feature is allow error. This means that when the automation runs, if we cannot perform this step, it is okay and we should continue. So does that make sense to me?
Right now, that's just an informational step to your learning. Okay. You're learning, You're learning what allow error is.
Okay.
You're like, okay. I read it.
Okay.
Right?
But when the automation...
I'm gonna press continue.
And let me just make sure that the language works for me. Can you just give me a sec?
Okay. And that's the point, is we can edit these.
Okay, very important step feature is allow error. So this is something you're teaching me. That means that when the automation runs, if we cannot perform this step, it's okay, we should continue. Now I get it. Okay.
Cool. And maybe I add some language in here, like if we cannot perform this step, in parentheses, like a pop-up.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
But I don't think we cannot move forward with the recording. Or maybe it means
until it's handled or something.
Yes. I think the language can be clearer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And
so then we
continue. Okay.
Then we hit continue. Okay. So now it's telling you To click something on the page, click below. Here.
So we got to fix that language because it should say push click, but it can't say click click. It's a little confusing. But okay.
So push click below.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. All right. So, but do you, if that says to click continue on the page, press click below. Does that make sense?
That right there, to click that thing right there. Yes.
Yep. Cool. Boom. We clicked it. Well, you did good. Now it tells you something else. After clicking, and then follow this. After clicking the X or quote, no thanks
I'll pay
text.
full price. Yep. You can confirm this step. So no,
So
you're telling me.
what would you do?
Well, I already know from before. But I don't know that I would automatically know that it means to click the X. I think I would want it more as an action thing to tell me to do that. Click the X or no thanks, and you can blah blah blah.
Okay. What do you mean?
I think I wanted more. I would want the language here.
We can add more language. What do you think?
It would say the next step is click out of. You want to click out of the box.
No, you don't want that yet. That can be your next step. That can be your next prompt. So right now we're just telling you, hey, go.
Oh, this is just information. I see.
So like we're actually saying, okay.
Yeah.
So after clicking the X, so we have to go click this or the no thanks.
That's what I mean. This is an action here. It's not just information, correct?
Correct, because I can't click confirm here.
Great. I would want the action. Like next step. Click the X or that.
So you want this to say next step after clicking the
something like that. In order to get rid of the pop-up, click this or do this. Now.
Okay, cool.
Now.
Okay.
So what that does for me, Jeremy, just so you know, is it separates information from action.
Okay, great. That's great.
Okay.
Honestly, what we can do, if I can confuse you for a second, is we can edit this shiz in real time.
Right. And
so look,
I did some of that. Yep. Go ahead.
So we can go here. It's a little janky. So here we go. So here are your questions, right? And then here are our guided templates.
Yep.
Okay. And then we have how to handle a pop-up. And then we have here a very important step after scraping the, click something here on the page, click below. Remember we saw that one?
Yep.
Okay, so you wanted this to be what?
Something like next step, and we can futz with it later.
Okay.
Tell me if this is too wordy. In order to get...
Okay, here we go. No, here we go. So next step. After clicking, click the X.
Click the X or the no
thanks.
On the pop-up. Tell me on the pop-up.
Okay, on the pop-up. Okay.
And then period, and then confirm below.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
On the pop-up.
Yeah.
Then you confirm
button below.
Yep. Then push
confirm button.
Okay, push confirm button below.
Yep. Or just confirm button. I don't know that you need the
after below. That. Okay, cool. Then press confirm button below. Great.
I don't think
we did it.
I don't think you need after that either, but I can go through and futz with it.
Yep. Okay. So cool. So we got that.
Better.
Okay, great.
Better.
So great. We got that one.
Okay.
Now let me click on these windows again. Okay. Awesome. So we did that. All right. Now we come here and we click that. Where is the X? You think?
I'm sorry?
Do you know? So now that we changed that language, you see click X. Where's X?
We said on the pop-up. That's what we are.
Oh, okay. Where is that? You right here?
No, it's this have you refreshed this? This is the part we fixed.
Yeah, where's the X? Here?
In the corner, yeah.
In the corner. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, then we confirm, right?
Yeah, but that language is already changed.
Yeah, we changed
Okay,
it.
confirm.
Okay, great. We
That's
did it. That's it.
Okay.
If you click now, it tells you. Okay, now it tells you. That's it. If you click the 3 dots next to the step, okay,
Mm-hmm.
you will see the allow error option. So it where we're thinking here is we're going, okay,
Right.
we're trying to connect
Right.
that you can the allow error feature to how that works with an actual automation. So it's if you click this is just telling you information,
Right.
right?
Now,
Your automation's done. You just handled it.
right. No, now it makes sense. The only other thing that I would say on the first one, just because you're
Okay.
thrown in, like, where am I? Why am I looking at AppSumo? I would say
Okay.
something like, as a demo, we're looking at the
Okay.
AppSumo site.
Hold on.
Something like the very first one.
Okay. Yep. Hold on. So right here, right?
Okay.
As a demo.
Oh, no. Very first is no allow error. No. Stop. Go back. Let it go.
Okay.
As the very first and next step is allow error.
Error.
Error. Wait a minute.
Error.
Oh no, you're no. I changed my mind. Start with what you're doing. So,
Okay.
as a demo for you, or as a demo,
As a demo.
we're using.
No, we are going to. We
are
are
not going to. We are.
we are showing you
Yep.
a pop-up
Yep.
from AppSumo
As a demo.
as a demo.
Period.
Period.
Yeah.
A very important step feature is allow error.
Yeah. I mean, again, I would put it in there. I'm going to futz with it later, make it better.
Okay. We are showing you a pop-up from AppSumo as a demo. That's great. That's exactly what this is for.
Right. That's what I
Okay.
needed. That's if you look
Yep.
at my notes, it was like, I don't know where I am. I'm like in a
Great.
jungle here.
That is the point of this. That
Okay,
is the
great,
point of
great.
these sessions.
Great.
So great. So that we can futz with it later.
Great.
Okay. So then here. Okay, great. So you have essentially done that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now it just tells you here. That's it. If you click the 3 dots next to the step, you will see allow error is already turned on.
No, go ahead. Let me see it. Do it.
Where are the 3 dots?
They're
Where do you
right
see
there,
it?
right? Step 2, click.
Oh, cool.
Click.
Boom. Allow error.
Perfect. Okay, go back now. Let go.
What?
I want to.
Okay, go back here.
Yeah.
All right. If this step was absolutely necessary for our automation, should fail if this step can't be completed.
Wait, this step was asking for your automation. Your automation, not our automation. Yep. So it was already necessary for your change in automation, and your automation would fail, not should fail, if this step can't be completed. Then turn
okay, so let's go here. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
All right, what? That's it. If you click the 3 dots next, what?
I would, and you know what I would say? Note. I would just like
note,
like
okay, note
under it right before turn on. Not there.
Not there. Okay.
That's it. Boom. Now it's see. Oh, go back. There. Okay. Allow error to turn and then note if this step was absolutely necessary. Right. That this is like an added note.
Where's the note?
No. Okay. Next step, you will also allow error is already turned on. Boom. Done. New paragraph. Can you make a separate paragraph, or is it also be?
Where are you reading?
That's it. If you click the 3 dots next to the step, you will see. And I would
next to the step, you will see allow error is already turned on.
Kind of, like quotes, not quotes, but italics.
We'll do is turned on by default.
Yes, good.
Okay.
If this step was absolutely necessary for your automation, this step.
Yep, for your automation.
And your automation would fail if the step can't be completed. Yes.
Then turn this off.
What could be actually, and this step can't be completed. And my question is by the person, the end user, correct?
Correct.
Okay, I just want to know that. Then turn this off. Period. Put a period at the end. And that's why I'd say note. Like, so
Where do you say note?
okay, to click on it again, this is frustrating.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
after the word default, after the
Here.
word default.
After the word default. Okay. Okay. Note.
It's basically
Okay.
telling me that we're done.
Got you. Got
Okay,
you.
like that.
Okay.
I would put it in caps actually, but
Caps.
that's yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
We did it.
Now
You did it.
that makes sense. Do you like that?
Huzzah.
Does that make that you like that?
Yeah.
Okay,
We did it.
good.
Okay. Great. And now you have your first automation and we're done.
We're done.
That's great. And now the next time we go in, all those changes will be there.
Yeah, great. Wonderful.
Good job, Laurel.
Well,
Thank you so much.
So now as
Well,
long as
that's what I
we're
mean.
all working.
That's what I'm saying.
Got it.
That is why we need to audit every single one of these
I got it.
for language.
Yeah.
Some are more difficult than others,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
all
no.
this is that.
Yeah, I
You know
got
what I'm
it.
saying?
I got it. Now that I've wasted a whole day, I got it.
Now that you've wasted an entire day.
Are you still recording? You're still recording.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. All right. Bye.